Aha m bụkwa Maazi Onyenkizi Igbo. Ama m na ọ bụ ọ dị ka ịhụbeghị m na mbụ, mana ọ bụ na ịhụbeghị m na mbụ, nwanne m gee ntị, tọọ ntị na ka m kọọrọ gị onye mbụ. Aha m bụ Maazi Onyenkizi Igbo. Ihe Igbo na-amasị m nke ukwuu. Ya, ihe ọbụla gbasara Igbo, kachasị asụsụ Igbo, bụ ihe na-amasị m. Ọ bụ ihe na-enye m obi aṅụrị, na-eme obi m na-enwe nwa obere aṅụrị dị ukwuu. Emeela m nchọpụta wee fụ na Igbo na-achọ ịnyụkọ ọkụ. Wee sị mba, ka okenye ga-esi nọ n'ụlọ ewu anwụọ n'ọgbị, na a ga-ebido n'oge, bido n'ehihie chọwa ewu ojii, maka na taa bụ gboo bụ afa ndị mmadụ zara, maka na eme ngwa ngwa emeghara ọdachi. Asụsụ Igbo bụ nnukwu asụsụ, ọmarịcha asụsụ, asụsụ kọrọ aka, asụsụ kpọrọ akpọ, asụsụ ochie dịka asụsụ miri emi, asụsụ nwere ngalaba dị iche iche, asụsụ na-atọ ụtọ ma ọ bụrụ na ị mara ya asụ nke ọma. Mana inekwa n'anya ịhụ na asụsụ Igbo na asụsụ Igbo na-achọ ịnyụkọ ọkụ. Asụsụ Igbo is dying. Igbo language is going into extinction because we have sworn to be speaking English 247 everywhere, at home, at work, at the market, everywhere we are. We adopted English and deserted our original indigenous sweet language, Igbo language. And that is a big shame to us, the Igbos. If you are here to correct that error, it is an error, because how can you leave your mother tongue, your father tongue, and adopt a foreign language that doesn't really add much value to your life? If you learn Igbo language, you master the reading, writing, speaking, and listening in Igbo language and become an expert. I tell you, there is this kind of confidence it gives. When you speak Igbo, you can hear Igbo, you can listen, you can talk, you can use proverbs and idioms and use Igbo sayings with such great expertise. It gives you this confidence and self-satisfaction that you are the son of the soil, you are the daughter of the soil. When you stand with confidence and authority. When you learn and master Igbo language, it becomes very easy for you to stand in the public and address people. Don't you think it's very awful when you go to the village and you cannot interact with villagers, your cousins, your nephews, your uncles, and your aunts? Isn't that very disgusting? How do you feel? I felt so ashamed of myself when I was like that. But now, no. If I'm in the public where Igbo people are, I feel so confident. I express myself with this agility and assurance that if I talk, people will listen and hear me, and they will comprehend what I'm saying and respond to my speeches. So learning and mastering Igbo gives you this self-satisfaction and confidence, this authority that makes you feel that you are part of the people, that you belong to the Igbo race. So mastering Igbo language helps you to be able to speak very well in the public. When you go to the village and you're addressing elders, izuru ezo n'isi zuru gị ezo na amụ zuru gị amụzụ na nna gị mụrụ gị n'ịbụ nwa amaala. Nwanne m, if you are ready to stop this insult to our language, if you are ready to rewrite the story, if you are ready to elevate Igbo language, both for your personal use and for the growth and sustenance of the Igbo language, for the survival of our tradition, our language, and our culture. If you have that in mind as a burning desire, just as I do, and you're ready to make a difference and change that bad negative history about Igbo language, then you are in the right place. So you just calm down, you just relax, you just get your pen and paper and get ready to join me in this adventurous journey. But before you do that, please click and buy this course. Buy this course. This course is more than 30 hours. Content, a lot of content organized. I'm taking you from the basics to the intermediary to the advanced, in the sense that we will start with the history of the Igbos, who the Igbos that we are, where we come from, what makes us Igbos, the characteristics that define us and separate us from other tribes. We also go through the alphabet of Igbo language. From there, we now go into Nkeji Asusu, Nkebioku, Omenana, Igbo proverbs and idioms. So I'm taking you from the basics. Whether you have learned Igbo, whether you have taken other courses before in Igbo language and you are still struggling to speak Igbo language, then there was a problem with those courses. But I promise you that once you take this course is a comprehensive course. So it means that everything you need to master Igbo language is in this course. So if you take it diligently and committed towards learning. If you take this course day by day, consistently, I promise you, in the next few weeks or few months, by the time you complete this course, you become a pro in reading, writing, speaking, and listening in Igbo language. I tell you, if you do not achieve any of this by the end of this course, then you can come back and take your money. But I promise you, you're not going to regret taking this course. Now, click on the course, buy the course, and get started. Have your pen and paper close to you. One more thing, please. Make sure you ask questions. Do not keep mute. Are you having problems pronouncing certain words? Are you having problems writing, reading, or even speaking in Igbo language? Please reach out to me. Ask questions. Drop your comment. Comment in the community. Join other communities where we interact and discuss everything about Igbo language. You can meet me on YouTube and watch my videos and comment and ask questions. I promise you that this course is part of my mission to sustain Igbo language, to make sure that this our beautiful, wonderful language doesn't go into extinction as several foreign agencies have predicted. I promise you, if we can build our language skills, if we can retain and sustain our culture and tradition, I tell you, in the next few years to come, Igbo language will become a global language. That is my mission. I'm here to teach you, to instruct you, to guide you, to help you to master your Igbo language. Whether you're a native Igbo, you were born in the East, but you did not grow up in the East. You were born outside the East, maybe somewhere else in Nigeria. You were born abroad, UK, US, anywhere in the world, and you feel like you need to go back to your roots and learn your indigenous language. I am here. I'm here to help you. Once you join me in this adventure, once you take the exercises, you read the materials attached to the courses, you pay attention, you ask questions, you make research, and you comment and follow me on my updates, then you are good to go. I tell you, Igbo language is very easy to learn. It's very easy to learn. You can master Igbo language in 2 or 3 weeks, or even 3 4 months, or less than a year compared to many other language. If only you are committed to learning. Do not give up. It's always easy to start, but continuing with confidence and consistency can be challenging. But I tell you, this course is very interactive, and I've designed it in such a way that it flows in a very friendly pattern, so that you don't get lost along the way. I'm building a foundation. I built a castle from the foundation to the roofing, so that you can take step by step from the basics, the baby steps. You take the baby steps, the initial courses, which are very simple, to the advanced one, when you learn about the Igbo culture, Igbo traditions, and proverbs and idioms. So if you are ready to get started on this journey, I tell you, you are making the right decision. Take this step today, and I assure you, you will never regret it. Okay, shall we get started? Yeah.